Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video, I'm gonna share with you a delicious salad dressing recipe that you often find served on top of iceberg lettuce in pretty much all Japanese restaurants that I know of. So to make it, all you have to do is to combine all these ingredients in the blender and blend until smooth. So I'll start with 2 tablespoons of erythritol sweetener, then 2 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of avocado oil, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free ketchup, then let's add half a piece of celery, about 3-inch piece of ginger, half of medium onion, and 1 garlic clove. Now let's cover the blender with the lid and blend until smooth. There you have it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for more delicious keto or low carb recipes, then you can subscribe to my channel because I have a ton of other recipes that I just can't wait to share with you. I wish you well and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye!